What's up, everybody? So I just did a live stream, but when I done, okay, let's wait. I'm gonna check if my microphone is off from my other cell phone, and then we'll come back to this. Okay, my microphone is working. So I was trading the CPI report, as you can see in this video. I have played that last stream right now, but my microphone was off. So I'm gonna explain in this video how I traded it. So you can see that I marked this red area. I was gonna short at this area because I was expecting a unicorn model, okay? And you can see that this red area is the New York midnight. So it was 5 minutes before the CPI, and you guys can see that the price is entering into that resistance area. So also on the US30 you can see I have marked that area. It's the same New York midnight, and I was expecting rejection from here. So when you trade the CPI, you have to look for those areas. One guy was continuously commenting, but I didn't know my microphone is off. I'm going to explain how I traded this. So the price is going up into that area, and my stop loss was above that swing high. Okay, there I marked the Asian kill zone. You can see that the price went above that Asian kill zone, and then in the London session the price swept the Asian kill zone lows. Okay, so there was the sweep of the liquidity, the buy side, the sell side. Now the price was near that New York midnight, and there was a resistance. Okay, so I was expecting rejection on the CPI report. You can see there is still 2 minutes left in the CPI report, and the price was going up into that resistance area. Okay, so let's see how the price reacted from there. I didn't check my microphone. It was a very good live stream. You guys would have made good money from it. My microphone was off. Still, if you guys took this trade with my microphone off, good for you. So you guys can see there's still 1 minute and 40 seconds left in the CPI report. It's all about liquidity, like the price has taken the buy side liquidity, the sell side liquidity. Now the only important thing that is left is the 12 a.m. Which is the New York midnight. And the other reason I was bearish about the GBP was that yesterday's New York midnight was untested, so I was expecting that level to get tested, as you will see later on in this video why I was expecting that area. So the price entered into this resistance, and there is still 1 minute left, so it will get rejected from there on the CPI, and then I will show you the level. I have shown you the level where it will go. So still there are 40 seconds left. There is a small rejection, and you guys will see how the price reacts. Okay, so right now I'm drawing a line at yesterday's New York midnight, which was untested, and that area has to be tested. So I was expecting that area to be tested after this CPI report. You can see that I'm showing in that video that the price will go down to that area, but my microphone was off. Now I'm just doing commentary on that video. Okay, so I have already drawn a line there. Also on the US30 the price was expected. Okay, so there is your CPI report, and you can see the price got rejected from there. And where it will go? It will test that New York midnight. That area has to be tested. Okay, you can see the price got rejection from both the US30 and the GBP, because they are the correlated pairs. And where it will go? It will reach the line that I have drawn there. Okay, that 1.27026, that level. Let's see if it went there, and from there you will get a pump because that was a bullish area yesterday, and it remained untested. So if today it gets tested, it will give a pump, that 1.27026. So the price is still going down. It got rejection from there, and it will reach our level. It reached our level. I'm just doing a commentary now. My microphone was off. I'm just doing it for educational purpose, that so that you guys learn something from this model. This is the ICT unicorn model, okay? And ICT unicorn model is all about the timing, okay? You have to be precise about the timing. It doesn't work if the timing is not right. It usually works in the New York AM session, as you guys can see in this example. You can see the price came down, and it's yet to reach our level, which is 1.27026, I think. There it is. It touched that point, and now I told you guys to take profits there, and yes, my microphone was off, so I told you take profits, and there it is. There is the pump. So I will fast forward this video. You can see that you guys got that pump from there. So this is how you trade the CPI report on the ICT trading strategy. You guys have to look for those important levels. Now I will take you to the TradingView app. And I will again explain those levels. And that was the GBP. So let me again show you those levels. Okay, so there was this Asian kill zone which starts from 8 p.m. okay, and it ends at this 12 a.m. So we mark this area, the highs and the lows of the Asian kill zone. Now what happened in the London kill zone? You got a sweep of this Asian kill zone, okay, you got this sweep, and then we got this Judas swing move. This is the fake move, the fake Judas swing move, and it happens during the London session before the 5 a.m. New York, okay? And once it reaches certain support, there you will expect the reversal, and you guys can see that there was an auto block here, okay? I got it blue, and it got a pump from here. Now, when will you expect the rejection? As this is now the unicorn model. This is what the unicorn model looks like. I will draw it here. Got rejection, okay, there will be an auto block, and again the price will go down. So we got till here, and now once the price moved up to the New York midnight here, this was the New York midnight, and there was a CPI report, so the price came down. And where did it go? It came down to that yesterday's New York midnight. So this was all about the CPI report. I hope this is helpful. So this was all for today.